Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Best Product. Today, we're taking a quick look at the best camping gas stove, a compact, powerful must-have for campers and outdoor lovers. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just love cooking under the sky, this stove delivers the performance and reliability you need. Stick around for the features, pros, cons, and our final thoughts. Let's get started. Product features. Exceptional durability. The Dotwise camping gas stove is crafted from high-quality iron, making it incredibly durable. It's built to handle rough outdoor conditions and high heat without wearing down. Whether you're cooking in the rain, wind, or on uneven terrain, this stove won't let you down. Compact and travel-friendly. Weighing in at a manageable size and featuring a compact design, it's super easy to pack. Its small footprint means it won't take up much space in your backpack, leaving room for other essentials. Windproof performance. Thanks to its advanced windproof technology, this stove works efficiently even in breezy conditions. It keeps the flame stable and reduces heat loss, so you don't waste fuel or time, something every camper will appreciate. Powerful fire output. With a high firepower rating of 20,000 watts, you can cook meals quickly and evenly. From boiling water to frying up dinner, it delivers the heat you need with impressive stability thanks to its integrated base design. Versatile outdoor use. Perfect for camping, hiking, picnicking, or emergency prep, this stove does more than just cook. It provides heat and reliability when you need it most. Pros. High durability, withstands outdoor abuse and intense heat. Lightweight and portable, easy to carry for long-distance trips. Wind-resistant flame, stable flame in gusty environments. Fast cooking power, 20,000 watts output reduces cooking time. Multi-purpose use, great for various outdoor and survival scenarios. Cons. Requires external gas canister, not included with the stove, so you'll need to buy one separately. No automatic ignition. You'll need a lighter or matches to ignite the burner. Single burner only, suitable for one-pot meals, which may limit more complex cooking. Final thoughts. The Dotwise camping gas stove hits all the right notes for outdoor cooking. It's tough, efficient, compact, and built to last. Its windproof design, strong firepower, and lightweight build make it a fantastic choice for campers, hikers, and backpackers who value performance without bulk. Sure, it doesn't come with automatic ignition or multiple burners, but if you want something reliable, efficient, and easy to carry, this stove is a solid investment. Make sure to check the price link in the description below if you're interested. And don't forget to subscribe to Best Product for more awesome gear reviews just like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy adventuring!